Hello everyone. Good evening to all of you. Hope you all are fine and doing well. So first let me know, am I audible for all of you or not? Yes, give me message. Am I audible or not? So that we can start. Yes, all of you, please give me message in chat box. Am I audible for all of you or not? Hello, all of you are there, na? Let me know, please give me message. Yes, no, anything. Hello, am I audible all of you? Let me know. Yes, Aishwarya, Muhammad Khubaib, Shan, YK. Uh, are you getting my voice? Give me message, please. Yes, no, anything. Okay. So first, before starting this webinar, so webinar is on masterclass on BIM for construction professionals. So here we have to understand actually what is BIM. First, we have to discuss about the BIM. Then under BIM, we have a different software. Okay, like Revit, AutoCAD, and Tekla. Many other software are there which we are using to model building. Okay, that we have to discuss here. I will take one example. I will show you to how to create 3D model. One example, I will take 2 BHK flat and I will show you how to model that in Revit software. Okay. So before starting, first, all of you know that myself is Mohammad Sajjad and I am a mechanical engineer with expertise in BIM software. Okay, so with several years of experience in this field, I have a deep understanding of the technicalities involved in the MEP or architectural construction field. Okay, so here I have done many live projects also, including residential, commercial buildings, hospitals, buildings, malls, retail shops, etc. So that's all about me. Now come to our topic. Okay, all of you. So here all of you know the webinar topic is on masterclass on BIM for construction professionals. So first, before going to discuss about the BIM software, here first you have to understand that what is BIM. Okay, so see, try to understand. So all of you know that BIM stands for what? Building, information and modeling. Okay, BIM stands for building, information and modeling. So first I will just discuss you this three term because this three terms is very important. First, try to understand what is actually building, information is what, modeling is what. Then we go in depth about building information modeling. Okay. So here the first term is given in BIM is what? Building. So building means what? All of you know building is a structure. Okay. What is building? Building is a structure that has walls and roof. For example, offices, schools, okay, house, this all are called as a building. Na? Is it clear, all of you? Then the second term here is given is information. So if you want to construct a building, so the types of data which you need to construct a building or to construct a structure, so that is called as a information. For example, here I want to construct this wall. So what we need, if you want to start the construction of this wall, so first thing we have to know about the length of wall, how much long the wall is. Then we have to know about the width. Okay. Then what height we have to consider to construct a wall and which type of material we have to use before starting the construction. So these are the data which we need to construct a wall. So same way, to construct a complete structure, the types of data which we need is called as a information. Is it clear, all of you? Let me know, please. Up to here, anyone have doubt? Next thing is what? Here you can see the next term is given modeling. Modeling is what? To represent the complete structure based on information in 3D, it is called as a modeling. Okay. So for that, we have a different software, as I told you, like Revit is one of the software, BIM software. Same way, we have AutoCAD, TechLine, and many other softwares are there. Okay. So in that software, we have to model the plan that we have to discuss. Okay. Is it clear? Now see, let me know. Don't be keep quiet. Okay. All of you understood this, the terms building information modeling in BIM. Now see, what is actually building information modeling? So it is given here that BIM is an intelligent software modeling process. So here you have to remember one thing, that BIM is not a software. Under BIM, BIM is a process. Under BIM, we have a different software like Revit. Okay, Revit is one of the software of BIM. Same way, ArchiCAD, Tekla, and many other BIM 360, Navisworks. This all are the software of BIM. Okay, we are using for Navisworks generally. We are using for what? For clash detection process. Same way, Revit we are using to create a 3D model. Okay, is it clear or not? So BIM is an intelligent software modeling process that architects, engineers, and contractor can use to collaborate on a building design, construction, and operation. Is it clear? Yes, all of you, please give me answer. Okay, chat box is there, so give me reply yes or no. Okay, make the webinar interesting. Okay, don't be keep quiet and see the webinar. So see now, it is written that BIM is a process of management. BIM is a process of generation and management of digital representation of physical and functioning characteristics of building. Okay. So as you know that, all of you know that commercial construction is a complex process. Okay. That requires 100 number of people from different specialties, such as architects, engineers, contractors, trade peoples, and more. So without BIM, each of these individual are working independently on a building. Okay. But after that, when they comes together, they find that their plan are incompatible, means there is some error in their plan. So BIMs enables a real-time collaboration, okay, between all of them in all of either it is a engineers, contractors, or whatever. So BIM enables a real-time collaboration between everyone involved in a construction project. So this cost to leading improvement in cost, okay, then safety and efficiency. So you can say as a result, BIM is one of the influential trends today. Okay. Now same thing, it is the knowledge resource for information about a project, and BIM is used in construction management from design stage to the complete construction stage. Okay. Here you can see all of you understood about the BIM. Okay, what is BIM? So what is BIM in construction? So same way which we have discussed here. Actually, building information in construction is a process that enables collaboration between all of the professional working on a building throughout its lifespan. All of you know that BIM allows architects, engineers, contractors to work in a single project. Okay. So all architecture or either it is a MEP engineers, so all are working in a single project at the same time. Okay. So it improved the collaboration also. So BIM is used to create a realistic model of a building, but unlike a simple drawing, this model is aware of all of the building properties. Okay. Now, the most important thing is, here's some advantages of BIM is given in construction product. What are the advantages? See here. The first advantage is given early detection of problems. So by using BIM software, as I told you, Revit is one of the software of BIM. So if you are using Revit software to model architecture plan, okay. So yes, Abdullah Masood, I will give you time. In last 10 minutes, I will give you to ask anything. If it is possible, so just message me. Okay. I will give you 10 minutes, all of you, just 15 to 10 minutes. So if you have any doubts, so you can ask me in the end of the class. Okay. Or if you want to ask anything in between the class, so you can message me, okay, in chat box. So I will try to reply that question. See, the first advantage of BIM is what? Early detection of problem. So with the help of that BIM software, means you can early detect the problem like clashes, okay. Easily you can detect the clashes by using the BIM software. Either we have a Navisworks software also for the clash detection. Okay. So you can detect the BIM software, identify the clashes between building services, for example, mechanical, electricals, structures. Okay. So easily you can detect the clashes between the building services by using the BIM software. Second advantage is given it improve collaboration. Yes, of course. Okay. BIM allow architects, engineers, and contractor to work in a single shared platform, facilitating what? So here in by using this, if you are working in a single project, all engineers are working in a single. So in this way, you can improve the collaboration also between the stakeholders, either it is the engineers, architect, contractors, whatever. So this BIM can improve the collaboration also, and it enhance visualization. So this BIM software or BIM provides a 3D model. Okay. BIM provides 3D model that offer you can say that here you can easily visualization with the help of this BIM software, you can easily visualize the project. Okay. And you can easily understand the designing phase and everything by using this software. So it enhance the visualization also. And the next is given easily with the help of that software. If you want to find out the quantity takeoff and cost estimation, so that is also possible in this software. Okay. In one click, you will get the quantity takeoff, material quantity takeoff easily, and it increase the worker safety. So these are the advantages of BIM in construction project. Now, the important thing which we have to discuss here is what, how the BIM work in a construction project. Okay, so that we have to discuss here, how BIM works in a construction project. So in that year, remember all of you, try to understand that all of you know that building information modeling is a digital representation of physical and functioning characteristics of building. Okay, simple. So in construction project, BIM serves as a collaborative tool for architects, engineers, and construction professional to plan, design, construct, and manage building and infrastructures. So here I will show you uh, how this BIM works in a construction project. So here the first point is written what? Project initiation and planning. So it means what? Remember, the process begin with the project initiation, where stakeholder define project goals, scope, and requirement. Okay, so during the planning phase, teams establish BIM execution plans outlining how BIM will be utilized throughout the project life cycle. Okay, so the first point is project initiation and planning. Now, the second point is given here, creation of BIM model. So here the project team or whatever teams members are there, create a digital 3D model of the building. Okay, by using different software, as I told you, now under BIM we have a different like Revit. So you can use the Revit software to team members or project teams create a digital 3D model of the building by using Revit or infrastructure using BIM software such as Revit, AutoCAD or Tekla, whatever software they want to use. Okay, so this model include detailed information about the building geometry. Okay, quantity and other relevant data. Next is given here collaborative design. So all of you know that architects, engineers, and other stakeholders like MEP engineers, contractors collaborate on the BIM model, adding their respective design element and data. Okay. Next, here it is written analysis and simulation. So BIM software also enables various analysis and simulation to optimize the design. Okay. So this may include structural analysis, energy performance analysis, clash detection to identify conflict between building system and more. Next point is given here, construction planning and sequencing. Okay. It means what? All of you know that BIM model are used to develop construction plans, schedules, and sequences. Then quantity takeoff and cost estimation is given. So BIM model can also contain detailed information about building components, and materials, allowing for accurate quantity takeoff and cost estimation. Then here the next point is given construction management and coordination. Here I'm just talking about how BIM work in construction projects. So these are the steps. Construction manager management and coordination. It means what? During construction, BIM serve a central repository of project information. So contractor use BIM to coordinate subcontractor, track progress, and manage construction activities. Okay. And then finally, we have a as-built documentation. So after construction, the BIM model is updated to reflect the actual build condition. Okay, so these are the how points how the BIM works in construction project. Now let's see the next which we have to discuss here. So as I told you, under BIM we have a different software. So here I will just discuss one software which is called as a Revit. As I told you, na Revit, ArchiCAD, Tekla, these are the software to create a 3D model. So here generally we are using in our postgraduate program in BIM just Revit software only to create a architecture plan. Okay, Navish work also we are using to find out the clashes between all the services. Okay, same way we have to study different software like Dynamo 3. So here I will just discuss in this demo class, in this webinar, we have to see the Revit. What is the main use of Revit software? Can anyone tell me what is the use of this software? All of you know that Revit is what? Revit is building information modeling software that is used by architecture. Why they are using to create a 3D model or structure architecture using Revit software. Structure engineers are also using this software to create a structure model. Same way, if you are a MEP engineer, so they are using Revit software to create a HVAC model, okay, firefighting or whatever services like plumbing, electrical services they are running by creating 3D model of that service. Designer and contractor are used. So this software allow user to design a building and a structure and its component in 3D. Okay. So the software Revit aim is what? This it aims to create a digital building, simple, or a structure model and provide comprehensive information about its component, materials, and system. Okay. So this is all about what is Revit software. So simple, you can say that Revit software allow user to design a building and a structure and its component in 3D. Okay, same way that I will show you in last that how we have to create a 3D model by using this software. Okay. Now come to the difference. Here first we have to discuss about the difference. What is the main difference between AutoCAD and Revit? Okay. So all of you know, if you talk about the workflow, so in CAD software generally AutoCAD is used purely for drafting workflow. Okay. And Revit software is used for 3D modeling workflow. Simple. Second point is given here. If you remember, here I'm showing you the difference. Okay. So try to understand all of you. What is the second difference it is showing here? In AutoCAD, if you remember, plan drawing, section drawing, elevation drawing need to drawn separately. If you want to draw the floor plan, section drawing, elevation in AutoCAD software, so we are just drawing each and everything separately. But in Revit, just single representation will provide the plan, section, and elevation. See how here I'm just showing you one example. Suppose here I have taken one architecture model. I think it is visible, all of you or not. Tell me. I have opened the Revit software. Here one small thing I have just taken. Am I audible? Just wait. Now I am audible. Okay. 1 minute, huh, all of you? Just, I think some problem is there. Uh, 1 minute. Wait, huh? Some sound problem is there, I think. I will resolve that problem so we can start. Just wait for 1 minute. Am I audible clear now, all of you? Let me know so that. Okay. So I'm talking about that. We are talking about the difference between the Revit and AutoCAD. So as I told you, in AutoCAD software, what we are doing, plan, section, elevation, we have to draw separately. But here in Revit, what you can do, plan, section, and elevation. In one representation, you will get the plan, section, and elevation drawing. Okay. So see, let's say one example. Yes, Kubeb, what you want to ask? I have told you na in the end, I will just give you the time, 15 minutes to ask any question. So during the between the class, if you want to ask, so just give me message. Okay, if it is possible. So now see, suppose this is your 3D model and you want to see the section view or elevation view of this model. Yes, in one representation will give you the elevation drawing. Here you can see in the right side, here we have a project browser. You can see the elevation is given. If you want to see the floor plan, just hit on ground floor plan, double hit on ground floor plan. See the school building ground floor plan is ready now. If you want to see the first floor plan of this building, see single representation. Just hit on this first floor. Now here you can see whatever room, staff room, conference, human washroom. Second floor plan you want to open. Here you can see the chemistry lab, physics lab, seminar hall. This all single representation will give you the floor plan. Even if you want to see the elevation, east elevation, just hit on that east elevation. Here you can see it is ready. You want to see the north elevation. The north elevation of that school building is ready here. South elevation. Even suppose you want to see the section view, here you can see in the top most part of the software, here you can see the section option is given. Hit on that. Suppose you want to see the section view of this, just this account department, libraries and examination cell section drawing. Just create one section, right click, go to view. Now see the section view of that uh, ground floor, first floor and second floor is ready. If you want to minimize, you want to see only the first floor, okay, you can minimize it from here. You want to maximize, see. So single representation will give you the what? Section, plan and elevation. So is it clear all of you? This point is clear or not? Tell me. Please, all of you let me know. Now come to next point here. In CAD, what happened? If we change any view, another view also need to change. Suppose in CAD software, if you have changed any view, so you have to change the another view also. For example, let's say in architecture drawing, if you have done some changes, like any changes, so you have to do the changes in section drawing also, elevation drawing also in AutoCAD software. But in Revit, what happened? If we change any view, another view will change automatically. See how? Suppose this is our architecture layout. Okay, this is my ground floor plan. And here, this is my ground floor plan. So if suppose here, I have done any changes, suppose just I'm removing this door. Okay, for example, I don't want to see this library door, account department door, examination cell door. So when you just go in section view now, automatically here, when you just go to view, see, in ground floor, when you see na, automatically see the door is there. Automatically door will remove in each and every view. Either it is a section, even you can go for elevation view, door is not there. Okay. So automatically another view will be changed. If you change any view, another view. So here I'm just pressing Control Z to come back from the command. Okay. So in this way we have to do. Is it clear? Yes, let me know all of you. Is it clear up to here? Okay. So now come to next. Now, see here, the next point, what is the difference here? Try to understand tagging. So if you remember in AutoCAD software, if you want to give tag, so tag need to provide separately. Suppose anywhere if you want to give, so separate tag we need to give. But here in Revit, it includes presentation of tag automatically. Okay, just you have to use the tag shortcut TG for tag, and you can automatically represent presentation of tag you will get. Okay, and if you remember in design in AutoCAD software, we need to design separately for MEP system. Suppose if you are a MEP engineer or architecture engineer, so what we are doing, separate, we need to draw the plan, floor plan, section view, elevation view, we have to draw separately. But here, same way for MEP engineers, in AutoCAD, we need to design separately for MEP service. Either it is a HVAC, plumbing, or firefighting or electrical. But in Revit, it include MEP. Here in Revit, you will get the MEP design of cooling and heating. You can easily do the heat load calculation here. Okay, I'm talking about MEP side. If suppose, let's say you are MEP engineer. So here in Revit, you can easily get the cooling and heating load design. Duct sizing also is available here. Automatic duct sizing. You will get the fan ESP calculation also. Pump sizing is automatically pump size. Pump head calculation you will get just in one click after performing the services. Okay, so this is the main difference between CAD and Revit. Okay, and Revit will also save time also. Let's come now, the next which we have to discuss here is what types of Revit file. So all of you remember, generally we have a 4 types of Revit file. Okay, what are that? First, we have a project template file. Their file extension name is given here, .rte. Can you see everyone? There are 4 types of Revit file. First is project template file. Their file extension name is given .rte. Second, we have a project file .rvt file extension name. Third one, we have a family template file. File extension name is .rft for family template file. And fourth one, family file. Extension name is .rfa. Same way, when you are using AutoCAD software, if you remember, the file extension name is given .dwg. Same way here in Revit, we have a 4 different types of file: project template file, family template file, family file. Their file extension name is given. Now try to understand one by one what is project template file, what is project file, so that we have to discuss here. See, the first type of Revit file is what? Project template file. Okay. And their file extension name, try to remember this thing, .rte. So remember, this project template file is used to create new project under different disciplines. Suppose if you want to create a new project under different discipline, a structural, architectural, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, when you open the Revit software, you will get the different discipline. Okay, suppose if you are an architecture engineer and you want to create a 3D model, building 3D model, so you have to use the architecture discipline for that. If you are a HVAC engineer, so you have to use mechanical template or mechanical discipline to create HVAC model or to create firefighting model, and you can use the plumbing discipline to create a plumbing model. Same way, structure engineer will use the structure discipline to create a structure model. Okay, so let's see how yeah, that's I will show you in software. Suppose here I have opened the Revit software. You can see when you open the Revit software, here you will get the recent file window. This window is called as a recent file window. Why? Because recently, whatever project you have saved, you can see the preview of that project here. So this is called as a recent file window, or you can say the welcome window also. See, in the left side, you will get one option, model. Here we get a 2 option, open and new. Already, if you have saved any project in Revit and you want to open that project, so you have to use this option, open. Okay. And wherever you have saved, from that location, open it. Suppose here I want to create a new model. So what we are doing, we have to hit on new. When you hit on new, here you will get one dialog box. Can you see? The template file is given. When you hit on this drop down listener, here you can see the different discipline is given. Construction or discipline, or you can say template. Different template is given. Construction template is given. Their unit is given, interior unit. In both unit, you will get interior unit. Construction template is given in interior unit also, in metric unit also. So in which unit you want to work? Same way, suppose if you are an architecture, you want to create a 3D model. So we have to open the architecture template. So under which unit you want to work? If you want to work in interior unit, means interior unit means what? If you want to work in inch, pounds, second, so you have to hit on interior architecture template. Open it and start to create a model that I will explain you later. Okay, so how we can create a 3D model. Okay, I will take one example, 2 BHK flat apartment, that I will show you how we can model that apartment in Revit. Same way, if you want to work in metric, okay, so you have to open the metric architecture template. Is it clear? So as I told you, the first Revit file is what? Project template file. So project template file is used to create a new model. So suppose I want to create one 3D model. So we have to open the architecture. I want to work in interior unit. Just hit on architecture template. Okay. Interior architecture template. Hit on that. And oh, sorry, it is a structure. Na? Interior architecture template. Okay. So now you can just start to create a model. So this file is called as a project template file. Is it clear? Yes, anyone? Project template file is used to create what? A new model. Simple. Hit on new. See, when I'm just using this model, or from just hit on browse. Hit on browse. Here also you will get the option. Okay. When you hit on browse, na, here also you will get the different discipline. You can see. Just go back from here. See, here we get the different language, in which language we are working. So generally it is depend on you. So generally we are just using English language only. So here two option is given for English, English Imperial, English metric. So if you want to work in Imperial, you need double hit on that English Imperial. Now here you can see the different discipline is given. Architecture default option is given here. Default means this is your architecture template. Okay, architecture discipline. If you want to create a 3D model, so you have to hit on this default. See, when I'm selecting default this template, can you see the file extension name is given here? .rte, project template file. So as I told you, na, project template file is used to create what? A new model generally. So if you want to create a new model, so hit on default, see the file extension name .rt. This is called as a project template file. So I hope that all of you understood this thing. Okay. So it is used to create a new project under different discipline. Second, we have a project file and their file extension name is .rvt. Can you see this one? So this project file is used to open existing file which is already saved as a project, or we save as project in .rvt. Let's say you have created any project, you have drawn anything, like you have created one simple project, one wall you have created, and you want to save that project. So that project will save in which file? In project file. That file extension name should be .rvt. And suppose already you have saved any project, you want to open existing project, so that project will also open in .rvt file only. See, that I will explain you. Suppose this is my recent file window of Revit. Okay. So I want to create a new project. So you have to open the project template file. So hit on new. From here, browse. Suppose I want to open the architecture template under English Imperial. So select the default. See, now here we have opened the project template file because, and their file extension name is .rd, because I want to create a new project. So open it. And now try to create anything. Suppose here I am just showing you. Suppose I want to create one wall here. So, okay, come here in system tab or architecture tab. Here you will get the option of wall. Okay, you can use the shortcut also. Different, just hit on wall. Now see in properties palette, just I am showing you this thing for your understanding purpose. Suppose here I am creating one wall. For example, here just see, I have created one wall like this. Can you see in 3D? Yes, tell me please, all of you. Here you can see the shaded view, realistic view is given. So here I have created one project. So this project we have created in which file? All of you let me know, in project template file. Same way, if you are going to save this project, so that project will save in which file? Project file .rbt. See, I will show you. I have created any project. Now I want to save this project. Okay, so come here in file tab. In file tab, save as what? Project. You have to hit on save as project. Now see, you can give any name and see the file of type. File name is given now project file, and their file extension name is what? .rbt. Okay. So if you have created any project and you want to try to save that project, so that project will save in which file? Project file. Okay. So simple, that is called as a project file. Is it clear, all of you now? Same way, come to next Revit file. So this is the second types of Revit file. Next one is family template file. First, try to understand what is family here. Family means component. Simple. In architecture, if you know, if you are creating any model, architecture, any building model, so you know that in building we have to place the windows, doors, okay, furnitures and everything. So this all called as a family. Window, doors. So family is a component. Okay. So family template file means what? Try to understand, all of you here. Family template file is used to create new component or family under generic model. Suppose, let's say, this family template file generally we are using to create a new component. Suppose you want to create any component, anything you want to create, any furniture layout or anything. So here we are using which file? Family template file, and their file extension name is .rft. Okay, remember. So suppose, let's say, here I am taking one example. Open the Revit software. This is our recent file window. Suppose I want to create here one component, anything like one table I want to create. So what I want to do? Now you have to come here in this second option, families. In family, you have to hit on new. Okay. And see, under English Imperial, I want to work. So select that unit, and from here, select the generic model. Where it is? Just see, here generic model is given, open it. Now here you can create any component, what you want. So suppose from your right side, you can see the project browser is given. Select the reference level. And now see, here you will get the different modifying tools. Extrusion, blend, revolve, sweep, blend, void form. Here under void form also, you will get the different thing. Okay. So this all tools we are discussing in our complete postgraduate program in BIM. Each and everything we are just teaching in detail, okay? But here in a webinar, it is not possible to discuss each and every tools, okay? So see, now I will show you just one example. Suppose I want to create one table or desk, whatever, just table, let's say. So how to create the table? I'm using first extrusion, solid extrusion command. Hit on that solid extrusion. From drop panel, you can see the different like line, rectangle, different shape is given. I'm just selecting rectangle shape. Okay. Now in option bar, you can see here, you can change the depth, offset if you want to. Extrusion start is 0, extrusion end is given 1. Suppose the thickness of that desk table, I want to take 6 inches enough. Okay. Thickness of table, I want to take 4 inch. Okay. So here extrusion end I have given 4 inch. Okay. Then hit on apply and try to create it. Suppose here I am just creating. Suppose the table length is 5 feet and width 3 feet. So whatever you want as per your requirement, you can just give it. So you want to change anything like dimension 5 feet you want, just write down manually 5. And width of that table, how much you want? 3 inch. Just manually you can edit it 3 inch. Okay. Then finally hit on finish edit mode. Now see, in 3D, here from visual style line VCB, this is called as a volume control bar. Here you will get the visual style. You can change the visual style. Shaded view you want to see the shaded view. Now here I want to draw one for support for this table. So if you want to draw these four supports, so first I want to select this back side, na? Bottom view. Okay. So from this 3D cube, select the bottom. Here you want to create. Okay. Hit on. First, always remember you have to select what? You have to select the work plane first. Okay. So show, set, pick up plane. Okay. Select the work plane, this bottom face. Now here I want to draw for support for this table. So create tab. What do you have to do? Tell me. Create tab. Use solid extrusion. Shape I'm using same rectangle. One support I'm just drawing here. Okay, like this. But here the question is, or the support which you are drawing, how much extrusion start is 0. Okay. And suppose 3 feet, I want to take that support total. So just draw one support here. One support I want to draw here, for example. Okay. Same one support I want to draw here. One support I want to draw here. Okay. So we have given 4 support. Finally hit on finish editing. All of you getting this thing? Now, if you want to rotate this, just press the shift key, scroll the cursor. Now see, can you see the table is ready or not? Here just I have given one small example. You can create anything by using this different tool. Okay. First, let me know all of you. This table is visible. So in which template file we are creating component? Yes, anyone? In which template file we are just creating this model? If you want to create any component, so we are using which file? Revit, family template file, and their file extension name I have shown you .rvt, I think, na? Whatever, just it is written here. File extension name is .rft. Okay. Now come to fourth one. Fourth types of Revit file is what? Family file, and their file extension name is .rfa. Simple. This file is used to open an existing file which is already saved as a family, or we save as family. Suppose, let's say, if you have created any component, okay, and you want to save that component, so that component will save in which file? In family file, and their file extension name is .rfa. Okay. See, here I have created one component. So this component I have created in family template file. This file extension name is .rvt. Now, when I'm trying to save this component, see, so what you have to do? File tab, save as what? Family. When you save now see this this component will save in which file now? Family file, and their file extension name is .rfa. Okay. So this is all about the types of files in Revit. So now I hope that all of you understood little bit about the types of Revit files. So this is the webinar. Actually, in our live classes, now we are teaching each and everything in depth. Okay, so don't worry. Any confusion if you have, so you can ask anything. So here we have a 4 types of Revit file. Okay, now come to user interface of Revit. So let's say here we have a recent file window. Now you want to create any new product, new model. So hit on new. From here, select Imperial Architecture template. Okay. So now this is your user interface of Revit. So try to understand how to represent the user interface, each and everything. So in user interface of Revit, you can see this is our user interface of Revit. So here, the first option you can see here it is given in the right topmost part. It is called as a file tab. Okay, under this file tab only, you will get the different option. If you have created any model, you want to save that model. So first, in this file tab only, you will get this save icon. Even you want to open a new sheet. Okay, that option is also available. See that I will explain you here. See, when you hit on this file tab, here you will get the different option. From here, you can open the new project, new family. And suppose already you have saved any project, you want to open that project. So from here, you can open that project. Even you want to save that project quickly, save as, export, print, close. You want to close the Revit software. So from here also, different option is available in file tab. You can do anything, okay, whatever you want. Next thing, The next option is given here, Revit Home. Okay, here also, and it is called, you can see in the topmost part of the Revit software, here you will get some tool. So this is called as a quick access toolbar. So here in quick access toolbar, na, you will get the different tools. Suppose you have created any project, you want to quickly, you want to save the project. So here see, save icon is given. If you want to open a new sheet, here new sheet icon is given. Same way print option is also given here. You want to see any model you have created in 2D, you want to see that model in 3D. So see the 3D option. You want to create the section drawing. So quickly section of icon is given here. Everything is there. You want to measure any dimension. So see dimension linear command icon is also given here. With the help of this, you can easily measure the length of anything which you have drawn. So that is why this option, in the topmost part of the Revit user interface, it is called as a quick access toolbar. It is clear, all of you? Next option you can see here, it is given info. What is this? Info center. Okay. Come to next. Here in the, it is called as a tab. Okay. How you can represent it? Architecture tab, structure tab, steel tab, preset, system tab. Okay. So when you see now here, uh, hit on architecture tab. If you want to create any model, so you have to hit on architecture tab. In architecture tab, see the different panel you will get: build panel, circulation panel, model panel, room or area panel. In build panel, you will get the different like wall option, door, window, component, column, everything. Okay. So this is called as a tab. Same way, next you have to come. Now the next option it is given here. It is called as a ribbon. Okay. And the next is given here. See, it is called as a panel. Okay. Property panel, clipboard panels. Okay. Modify panel. Under modify panel, you will get the different modifying tools. Okay. Under draw panel, you will get the different shape like a square, polygon, and everything. Then finally, here you will get one option bar. It is called as a option bar. Suppose if you are selecting anything, so here you can see the properties, not properties. See, just I will explain you. Suppose this is your user interface and you have hit on architecture tab, build panel. Under build panel, just hit on wall. So when you hit on wall now, here in option bar, they ask you for height. How much height of wall you want to create. So from here, you can change the height of that wall. Location line, from where you want to. So these are the option which we are discussing in our live classes. What is actually wall center line, core center line, finish face exterior. So these are the option which we are using before creating the wall. Okay. Then offset, you want to give some offset to wall, you can give that also. So everything is available. Okay. Same way, come to next option. Here in the left side, when you see, it is called as a properties palette, because suppose if you have opened the wall, so here you can see the wall properties, which type of wall you want. You can select the different types of wall. See, I will show you here. Suppose I have selected architecture tab wall. So when you select the wall now, here in the properties palette, you will get the properties of, you can see the properties of that wall. So the wall which we have selected by default, it is generic 8-inch wall. You want to select 6-inch wall. Okay, that is also available. Generic 12-inch wall is also available. Interior wall, exterior wall is available. And suppose any other dimension you want, other thickness of wall you want, which is not there here. Okay, that option also is, you can just change the thickness also. That option is also available. Okay, so don't worry about that. Even if you want to use the curtain wall, so that option is also available here. Okay, so here you can see the properties of wall. See, when you have selected the wall, suppose I have selected generic 8-inch wall. So see, base offset is showing, base constant level is showing, location line what you are using, wall total height is showing here. Okay, everything you can see the property. It is called as a properties palette. Understood, all of you? Let me know, please. Is it clear up to here? Okay, now come to next one here. When you see in the right side of this user interface, it is called as a project browser. Here you can see the floor plan. Suppose if you are creating anything, any project, so your floor plan, you can see the floor plan, ceiling plan, elevation drawing, even you have created anything like 3D model option also here. You will get you can see the drawing in 3D model also. Okay, so that option is available here. Now, the window in which you are working, you are creating any model, that is called as a drawing area or working window. Okay, in which window you are just drawing anything, like you are creating any model or any component. So that is called as a drawing area or working window. Clear? So this is all about the user interface. Next, one more option is given here. When you see in the right side here, also one option is given. It is called as a navigation bar. And in the bottom left side, when you see now, this is called as a status bar. Here you can see the status. And here see the in the bottom part, it is called as a VCB, volume control damper. Sorry, volume view control bar. Okay, in short, you can say VCB. So here in VCB, we get the different option, like you can change the visual style from here. Suppose you have created any model, you want to see the shaded view of that model, realistic view, hidden view, wireframe, everything is given. Okay. Even hide, if you want to hide the any element, so that option is also available. Okay. So that in live class, we are teaching each and everything option. I will show you each and everything in depth. So these are all about the user interface of Revit. Now, I hope that all of you understood this thing. Okay, it is clear, all of you? Let me know, please. All of you understood about the user interface of Revit. Now, come to next topic, which is very important here. See, the next topic is Revit family. What is family? As I told you, family means what? Family means component. Simple. Okay, so it is written here, a Revit family is a group of objects that are combined to create single reusable component. So family is object. So either it is a single object or group of object, that is called as a family. For example, as I told you, na, like wall, window, everything, that is called as a family. So family can be created in Revit and saved for later use in other project. Okay, how to create family, that I have explained you. Here some example is given. Example of family such as door, window, furniture, column, beam, ductwork, pipework, etc. These are called as a family. Okay. Now, here generally in Revit, we have a three types of family. There are three types of family. What are that? First, we have a system family. Second, loaded family. And third option, we have a in-place family. So all of you try to understand what is system family, loaded family, and in-place family. See, system family means what? Family is a component. Okay, simple. System family are those family which we cannot create, delete, but we can modify by duplicating it. For example, wall. Okay, just come here. I will show you the example. Suppose here I have opened the architecture discipline. Okay. So when you see, when you hit on this architecture tab, here you will get the option of wall. Wall is which type of family? Either wall, it is which type of family? Wall, window, door, everything, component, column. This all is called as a what? System family. Why? Because you cannot create this family. Already in Revit, this family are there. You cannot create this family. Either if you are trying to delete, no, there is no option to delete this family, because this family is inbuilt in Revit. Okay, you cannot create or delete this family. Only you can modifying the the one option you will get here in system family. You can modify this family by duplicating it. For example, suppose I have selected wall here. In property palettes, you will get the different generic thickness wall is available. Suppose if you want to modify, you want some other thickness, like I want 10-inch wall. 10-inch wall is there? No. In the list, 10-inch wall is not there. Okay, so you can select any wall like generic 8-inch. You want to modify this wall? Okay, hit on edit family. In edit family, first try to duplicate. Duplicate and give the name as a generic, because I want generic 10-inch wall. So I have given generic 10-inch. Okay. Now in structure, edit option is given. Hit on edit. Presently, it is 8-inch wall. See, the thickness of that wall is showing 8-inch. You want 10-inch wall, just edit, write down 10-inch. And finally hit on OK. Again hit on OK. Now see, the 10-inch wall is ready. Even if you want to draw that wall, okay, easily you can just draw it. Suppose here I have draw, and I will show you what is the thickness of this wall. So I'm using the di command, dimension linear command. Just try to measure the thickness. Now it is showing 10 inch. So system family are those family which we cannot create, delete, but we can modify it by duplicating it. Is it clear now? I hope that it is clear. Okay. What is actually system family? Okay. But we can modifying by duplicating it. For example, wall. Same way, the next types of family is loaded family. So loaded family means what? Loaded family are those family which we cannot, which we can load in our existing project. For example, door, window, etc. See, now all of you, suppose here I have created one model. Suppose I want to create one wall. So let's say here just I have created one wall. Okay, now I want to place the door here. So, okay, in architecture tab, door option is also given. Just place it. Same way, I want to place the window. Okay, select the window and place it. Whatever, which type of window you want, you can select it from here. Place it. Suppose one window I have placed here, one window I have placed here. You can see in 3D model. This is the 3D view. From visual style, change it as a shaded. Can you see? But the problem is what? See, try to understand. In Revit, when I'm selecting the door, so see, to place the door, you have to hit on door. Okay. But here in properties palette, only one type of door is given in Revit. Different dimension is given, only one type. Type of door is only one. This type of door is available. But I want to place some other types of door, some other design, other types of door. So what we can do, because in Revit only one types of door is available. So for that, you have to download the Revit libraries from the Autodesk website that I will explain you how to download in live class. Okay. So now if you want some different types of doors, so that door you have to load it from Revit libraries. So the family which you are loading from the Revit libraries, that is called as a loaded family. Simple. For example, I want to load the door, different types of door. So first select the door. Here in mode panel, you will get the option of load family. Just hit on that load family. When you hit on load family here, you can select the unit under English Imperial. Where is door? You have to search. See here we have a door in Revit libraries. Hit on door. See different types of door is there, and their preview is also, you can see the preview. Here it is given, glass door. Suppose I want to place a commercial door. So select commercial. Here you can see the different types of door is available. I want to place this type of door, let's say, or any type like this type, whatever you want. Suppose I want this type of door. Okay, so select that door, open it. See how much, which dimension of door you want. So if you want any dimension as per your requirement, suppose 3 door I have loaded. Okay, different 3 dimension of same type of door I have loaded here. Now see, here you can see this door and the dimension which you have selected from the list. Suppose I want to select this. Okay, first now I'm just deleting this door. Just select it, delete it again. Hit on door and this door, select it, place it here. Now see in 3D how the door will look. It will look like this. Okay, same way you can load the different types of window also. Okay, you can easily load the different types of window also. So now what is loaded family? Let me know. The family which you are loading in your project, that is called as a loaded family. For example, door, window, etc. Any component you want to download or load from the Revit library, that is also called as a loaded family. Okay. So now I hope that all of you understood. Please let me know. Is it clear? What is loaded family? Loaded family are those family which we can load in our existing project. Okay. Their example is given and I have shown you also. Now in place family. The third type of family is what? In place family. In place family means this type of family, in place family can be created in project itself, but cannot be saved externally as a loaded family. Okay. So whatever family you are creating, in a family template file. Okay. So that is called as a in-place family. Suppose I have created one table. I have shown you how to create table. To create any component, we have to use the project family template file. First, you have to open the family template file. In that family template file, you can create any component. But the problem is what? Okay, you have created, but you cannot save that family or that component externally as a loaded family. In loaded family, what we are doing? We get the family from the Revit library. Okay, you can save it, but we cannot. The type of family which we are creating in project itself, it is called as a in-place family. Simple. You can remember this thing. Okay. So these are the types of Revit family. Now see here, whatever above family which I have discussed. Okay, either it is a system, loaded or in-place family. Above families are of two categories. What are that? Try to understand. First is hosted family. Second one is unhosted family. All above families are categorized into two types. Hosted and unhosted. Hosted means what? The family which are dependent on some work plane is called as a hosted family. For example, door window. Let's see. Here, if you have created any wall, like this is our wall, in 2D, see in floor plan, I have created wall. So if I want to place the window and door, so window and door is totally depends on wall. If you have created wall, then only you can place the window. Suppose see, I have selected door from here. I want to place the door. When I'm trying to place the door here, see option is available? No. When you are taking the cursor near to wall, then only you will get the option of door. Because door is dependent on wall. Door, even same way you can see the window is also. You want to place the window and you are trying to place the window here anywhere. So see, there is no option for the placement of window. But when you take the window near the wall, then you will get the option. So window is dependent on wall. So this is called as a hosted family. All this type of family is called as a hosted family. Is it clear? So hosted family means the family which are dependent on some work plane. It is called as a hosted family, like door, window, light, etc. Same way, the next one is unhosted family. Unhosted family means the family which are independent on work, some work plane is called as an unhosted family. For example, here you have created one layout and now I want to place some component here like desk. So in architecture tab, hit on component. Here in properties panel, you will get the desk. You want to place the desk. So desk is not dependent on any work plane. See, you can place it anywhere where you want. It is not dependent on floor and anything. See, you want to place the desk here. Okay, you can place it. You want to place the desk inside the room. Okay. So the family which is independent on work plane, that is called as a unhosted family. Okay. So this is all about the types of family in Revit. So now I hope all of you understood up to here. Anyone have doubt, please let me know. Is it clear? Yes. Up to here, is it clear? Okay. Now come to next one here. Next, which I want to discuss with you. So here we have discussed about the types of family. Okay. Now I hope that all of you understood about we have a different types of family. Now the next thing which we have to discuss, see. Now I will take your 10 to 15 minutes to just describe the career opportunity in BIM. Okay. So what is the career opportunity in BIM that we have to discuss? So see that I will explain you here. So all of you know a career in building information modeling offer a diverse range of opportunity in the architecture, engineering and construction industries. Okay. So one by one that we have to discuss here. The see now here the job roles and responsibilities what. So here I will show you the overview of common job roles in building information modeling along with their responsibilities. Okay. The first one is what? BIM career opportunity in BIM work. If you are a BIM manager or coordinator, so what is your responsibility on that time? So if you are a BIM manager or coordinator, so your responsibility is what? You have to train staff on BIM software, okay, like Revit, AutoCAD, Tekla. So you have to train this staff on BIM software and methodologies. And you also have to manage BIM project, ensuring compliance with the standard and scheduling. Then you have to coordinate with project stakeholders to facilitate collaboration and information exchange. And you have to resolve technical issues and providing support to BIM team. So this is your responsibility if you are a BIM manager or coordinator. Second is given BIM technician, or job role is BIM technician or modeler. Suppose if you are a BIM technician or BIM modeler, so what is your responsibility on that time? So if you are a BIM modeler, so you have to create a 3D model of building. Okay, simple. And infrastructure using BIM software. Different software is there. For example, Revit. In Revit, your responsibility to create a 3D model of building and infrastructure. Okay. And then what is your another responsibility? You have to incorporate architectural, structural, and MEP component into model. Okay, collaborate with architects, engineers, and contractor to integrate design changes and update. And you have to perform clash detection analysis to identify and resolve conflict clashes between different building system. So this is your responsibility if you are a BIM technician or modeler. Next, suppose let's say if you are a your job role is BIM coordinator or designer. So on that time, what is your responsibility? So your responsibility is what? You have to coordinate BIM effort across multiple discipline within a project teams. Then manage model exchange and coordination meeting to resolve conflicts and uh, clashes. Okay. Then you have to review and validate BIM model for compliance with project. Then you have to support the design coordination and collaboration between architects, engineers, and consultants. So this is your responsibility if your job role is BIM coordinator and designer. Simple. Next one is given here. Next job role is what? BIM specialist. So if you are a BIM specialist, so your responsibility, you have to focus on specific areas within the BIM process, such as sustainability analysis, energy modeling, or cost estimation. Okay, so this is your responsibility. If you are a BIM consultant, let's say your job is role is BIM consultant. So you have to provide advisory services to companies and organizations looking to adopt BIM processes and technologies. Okay. Then you have to conduct the training workshop and seminar to educate stakeholder on BIM concept and best practices. So on that time, these are the responsibility. Okay. So these job roles and responsibility may vary depending on the organization, project requirement, and individual skill set. So however, they provide a general overview of the diverse opportunity available in the field of BIM. Clear this thing? So these are the career opportunity in BIM. Now here you can see the skill required. Which type of skill is required for a career in BIM? If you want to make a career in BIM, so what are the skill which we require that we have to discuss here? Okay. So first thing, you should be proficiency in BIM software. Okay. So mastery of software platforms such as like Revit, AutoCAD architecture, ArchiCAD software, Navisware or Tekla structure. So these are the software you should be aware about this software. Okay. And you have the ability to create, modify, and manage 3D model efficiently by using different BIM software. Okay. And understanding the BIM workflow, including model coordination, clash detections, and data extraction. Okay. So these are the skill which we need to make a career in BIM. Second is written here, knowledge of construction process. Yes. So you should be familiar with architectural, structural, and MEP system and their integration in building project. Then understanding of construction, sequencing, scheduling, and coordination, and you should be have the knowledge of building codes, regulation, standards, relevance to the construction industry. These all we are teaching in our live classes. Okay. Next, the skill which we required to make a career in BIM is collaboration skill. It means what? You have ability to work effectively in multidisciplinary team, including architect, engineers, contractors, and more. So a strong communication skill you should be have to convey complex technical concept to non-technical stakeholders. Okay. Active listening and interpersonal skill. You should be have to facilitate collaboration and resolve conflict. Okay. So this skill is also important to make a career in BIM. Next, problem solving skill. You should be have the problem solving ability, critical thinking skill. You should be have to identify and resolve issues in BIM model such as clashes, errors, and any other more. Okay. Then the next skill, understanding of building codes and regulation. Okay. So that already I have explained you. You should be aware about the codes and regulation. Okay. Next, the skills is continuous learning and professional development. Simple. So always you should be willingness to stay updated on the latest development in BIM technology, software update, and industry trends. So participation in training program, you should be take the participation in training program, workshop, and certification to enhance skills and knowledge. Okay. So these are the skills which required for a to make a career in BIM. Okay. Second thing, yeah, the next is average salary. What should be average salary? So it is totally depends. See, if you are a BIM coordinator or technician or modeler, BIM modeler. So what is the average salary? It is given here. Like in the United States, how much the average annual salary for BIM coordinator, technician, or modeler ranges from 50,000 to $80,000 depending on factors such as experience, how much experience you have, okay, and location. Because salary may be higher in metropolitan area or region with high demand for BIM expertise, okay. Then if you are a BIM manager consultant, so it is given here. BIM manager and consultant typically earn higher salary due to their leadership role and specialized expertise. Okay. Here range is given. For BIM specialist or developer, see, the average annual salary can range between 60,000 to 100,000 or more, depending on their level of expertise and the depending of specialized skill. Okay. So this is all about the average salary. So remember, overall, BIM offer promising career prospect with opportunity for growth, advancement, and competitive salaries, especially for professional who continuously update their skill and adopt to evolving industry trends and technologies. Okay, so these are the career opportunities in BIM which we have to discuss. Is it clear, all of you? Let me know, please. Up to here. So here it is the career opportunity, what a skill you required, what is the annual salaries. This is also very important thing which we have to discuss here. So now up to here, if anyone have doubt, so you can ask me. Okay. Yes. Anyone, let me know. Whatever I have teach here, if anyone have doubt, so you can ask me here. Yes, Khubeb, you have some question, I think. You want to ask some question. So if you, am I audible? So everyone clear na up to here? No doubt? Any doubt is there? Yeah. Okay. 1 minute, Khubeb. I will give you just 1 minute, huh? Yes, now you can talk with me.
Thank you, sir.
Hmm.
You teach very well. I actually, sir, you initially you talk about Tekla software.
Yeah.
My question is, when we work on Tekla software, like any different floors, suppose a building having two floors, ground floor and first floor.
Huh.
Then we perform some work like firefighting, suppose. Then we
Actually,
then
now,
we
Tekla is a software company that is specialized in BIM information modeling solution for construction industry,
yes,
particularly
yes.
in structural engineer and steel detailing. So here actually Tekla structure is a powerful BIM software for creating or managing and analyzing detailed structure model. We are using that software. So, but here in our postgraduate program in BIM, we are not using Tekla. We are just explaining you about the Revit software to model 3D
Yes,
model.
yes,
Okay. So that is why
yes.
we are not
Uh,
providing any information about
yes,
that.
yes, yes. And I just want to know about when anyone work on Tekla software,
Hmm.
and then he export the file in Revit. Then all the floors and settings also available in export file Revit
No,
also or not?
I don't know about Tekla, but I know the Revit software. See, in Revit software, yeah, option is available. That also we are just explaining. We explain in the live class. Actually, now here in
Okay.
Revit software, you can also import your. Suppose you have got 2D architecture file in AutoCAD software from the architect, and they have not given you the 3D model. Let's say, for example. So import option is available. You can also import the AutoCAD file in Revit and you can trace the wall, window, whatever you want. That option is also available. Okay, Kuber?
Okay, sir.
You
Okay,
can
thank
also
you.
import the AutoCAD drawing and but remember that drawing which you are exporting here in that is 2D. So you have to trace the wall and everything because everything you will get here. Wall thickness and
Okay,
everything. So only you have how to create the wall that I have explained you. You have to go in architecture tab. I will take one small project example also. So you can easily
okay,
understand about that, how we can create the 3D model. Okay.
okay, okay, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
Abdullah Masood. Can you, yes, you can ask any, if you have any doubt. Abdullah Masood, you have some queries, I think.
Yeah, Assalamu alaikum. I'm from
Walaikum salam.
Bangladesh. Actually, yeah, can you hear me?
Abdullah, can
I'm from
you
Bangladesh.
speak
Actually,
loudly? Can you speak loudly? Your
yes,
voice is
yes,
no.
yes, yes, yes.
1 minute.
Actually, I have a team. They are working for the BIM software, BIM project, and they are expert in Revit software. But my team is not expert for the project management. Actually, my company want to collaborate with the project management, such as suppose a project have a time schedule. Okay, so
Okay.
can we attain this time schedule with this Revit by the VM schedule? And also, my management want that suppose in a project management, it is a normal phenomenon that every time owners want to know how much revenue has been completed by this week or by this month. So can we take the output of the revenue according to the schedule, project schedule by this VM software?
Can you give me text matches, Abdullah? Or otherwise take a
Yes,
mouse. Your voice is not coming clear. Give
I'm
me
texting. I'm texting.
give me text message if it is possible. And anyone anyone have question up to here related to this topic, whatever I have explained here. Okay. So now just see all of you. Here I will take one example. Okay, all of you just try to understand. Here I
Okay,
will
thank you
show
for
you
notifying me.
how to create a 3D model. Okay, in Revit. Suppose if you are an architecture, just I am taking one example because in postgraduate BIM. But before that, here all of you just take a break. Okay, 10 minutes break. So in that break now, see what you have to do. In your chat box, I will share you just one link. Can you see that link? Tell me. So just open that link and please provide your valuable review about instructor and course quality in the given link which I have shared. Can you see all of you getting that link? So just take a 10 minutes break. After break, so it is It is now 8:20, all of you, okay? Just join at 8:30. Take a break, then I will explain you how to model 2 BHK floor plan in Revit software. If you are a architecture, just I will give you the basic guide, so you will get the idea. Because if you want to go in depth about this, so you have to join with us in live classes. Na? Here in webinar, that is not possible, but then also you will get the idea. Okay. So in this break, just try to, don't be forget to provide your valuable review about instruction and course quality. The link already I have shared. So please, all of you, give your valuable, provide your valuable review about instruction and course quality. And also just let me know, suppose if we are conducting the next webinar, any day or whatever the time is there. So in next webinar, which type of topic you want? Next webinar topic suggestion I want. So just share that suggestion also. Okay, all of you, just take a break. Yes, after break, Abdullah, I will just continue, okay? Your question also. Please provide your valuable review, okay? All of you into the given name, and also just give me suggestion that suppose if you are conducting next webinar, so in which topic we have to conduct that webinar. Give me the topic name. Hello, am I audible for all of you? Yes, please let me know, all of you. Am I audible? Okay, so I hope that all of you have given your review, okay, about the course quality and instructor. That is also important, okay, for us. And no one have give me this topic suggestion that the next webinar which we are going to conduct, in which topic you want. So no one have give this suggestion. Okay, so give your suggestion. And now next thing, someone asked me a question. See, Abdullah Masood has asked one question, that can we collaborate BIM with project schedule and can take the revenue plan from BIM? Are you there, Abdullah Masood? Please give me answer. Yes, Abdullah Masood, are you there? So, okay, you have asked that can we, what is the question? Can we collaborate BIM with project schedule and can take the revenue plan from BIM? Yes, of course. Because remember here, BIM information modeling can be integrated with project schedules and revenue planning to enhance project management and decision-making processes, okay? BIM software platform like Autodesk Revit or Tekla Structure can be integrated with project scheduling software such as Primavera, P6 or Microsoft Project, okay? And the next about the revenue planning from BIM. So BIM model contain valuable data about project component, quantities and specification, which can be used for revenue planning and cost estimation. Okay. And one more question, I think, can we see the daily project progress? Yes, of course, you can use BIM information modeling and project management software to track daily project progress also. Okay. So this is your answer. Now let's see here what I want to show you. Suppose here I want to create one model. I will show you 2 BHK, just ground floor plan. I want to create 2 BHK apartment. So what we have to do here, see, suppose if you are an architecture engineer, so I want to create a new project. So what we have to do in model, hit on new first. Okay. In which unit you want to work, interior. So directly hit on interior architecture template. If you want to create an architecture model, so you have to always open the architecture template. So hit on open. Now here you will get the user interface of Revit. Suppose I want to create 1 2 BHK apartment ground floor plan, whose total dimension is suppose 25 feet by 40 feet. Okay. So first I want to create one floor. Total dimension is 25 feet by 40 feet floor I want. Okay. So how to create? Simple. If you want to create a floor plan, first always remember, try to work in center of Revit. Origin. So how you will identify where is the origin of Revit? Always. So see, here in VCB, when you see now, here you will get one option, reveal hidden element, bulb icon. Hit on that bulb icon. So when you hit on that bulb icon, here you will get the center point. So you have to select that center point, and here you will get the option of unhide category. Just hit on that. And then finally, again, you have to hit on this close reveal hidden element. Now here you will get the center point, means this point is your center of Revit. So between this point only, always we have to work in origin. Okay, remember this thing. So now here I want to create one floor plan whose dimension is 25 feet by 40 feet. Okay, 25 feet, 40 feet long, 25 feet wide. So how to create floor? Come here. First of all, now remember, first always we have to create a level. So to create a level, hit on architecture. First you have to come here in any elevation like north elevation. So see here, by default 2 level is given in Revit. Level 1 started from 0 feet. Level 2 means from level 1 to level 2 height is given how much? 10 feet. Na? So how much height do you want? Suppose I want ground floor height 12 feet. So just double hit on that. 12 feet you want, just write down 12 feet, enter. See, the height will increase. Now, suppose level 1 here, I want to write down ground floor. So, okay, that option is also double hit on that, write down 0 dash GF ground floor, enter. So would you like to rename? Yes, I want to rename corresponding view. Hit on yes. Same way, level 2 name, I want to give roof floor. So 1 dash roof floor, in short, enter. See, I have changed the name. You can see in floor plan, now you will get the floor, ground floor, roof floor. Okay, simple. I am just creating one ground floor plan. That is why I have given the name. Now, in this way, suppose you want to add one more floor, one more level. Okay, that option is also available. To add the level, what do you have to do? In architectural tab, datum panel, you will get the option of level. Here, just I am showing you the basic concept of creating level. You can do everything. If you want to modify the level, everything option is available. But here in webinar, that is not possible. That is why I am not showing. Okay. But in our live class, we are teaching each and everything in depth, how to modify the level and everything. Okay. So if you want to create a level, what do you have to do? Architecture tab, datum panel. From here, you have to select the level, trace it, and how much height you want, 12 feet. Just drag it and place it. In this way, you can create. You don't, but here I don't want, just delete it. Simple. Okay. Now come to your floor plan. Let's say ground floor plan. Here I want to create one floor, 40 feet long and 25 feet wide. Na? So, okay, how to create floor? See all of you. To create a floor, you have to come here in architecture tab, build panel. See, the option of floor is given here. Can you see? Yeah, of course, we have online course. That is why if you want, suppose, remember, or anyone are interested, suppose anyone is interested for our postgraduate program in this BIM. So I will just share you one WhatsApp number in your chat box. Can you see? See, if anyone are interested to enroll in postgraduate program in BIM, so you can WhatsApp. WhatsApp number I have shared in your chat box. So you can contact number is given. You can contact it. Okay. Clear all of you? Let me know, please. Is it clear? So I have shared the WhatsApp number. If anyone are just interested to enroll in postgraduate in BIM, so you can just contact us in the given WhatsApp number. Now see, here I want to create one floor whose 40 feet wide, sorry, 40 feet long and 25 feet wide. So okay, architecture tab, build panel. Here you will get the option of floor. So many option is given. From here you have to select the architecture floor. Okay. Now From the drop panel, you can select the required shape. But before selecting the shape, first here come here in properties palette and see. Here you will get the different thickness. Generic 12-inch wall is available, floor is available, even different types of floor is available. If you want to change the thickness, okay, material, everything you can do the changes. Suppose you want to change the thickness as a 8-inch, you want 8-inch floor, okay, that option is available. How to change that I have explained you. But if you want to go for detail, so that here in webinar it is not possible. Again, I'm repeating. You want to change the material, that option is also available. Okay. I'm just using generic 12-inch only, and just use the rectangular shape from drop panel and create one flow. See, I have created the flow, but problem is what? How much wide floor I want? 25 feet. So just write down 25. How much long? 40 feet. So just add it and write down 40 feet. Enter. See, now I want to place this floor in the origin. Okay, so select the complete flow. Use the move command from modify. In our live class, we are teaching this all modifying tools also. How to use the modifying tool, that also we have to discuss. Okay. In modify tool, here you can see the move command is given. Just select it. First, you have to select the base point. So I want to select the center of this floor. So, but see, I'm trying to see the center. Can you see the center is visible here? No. So if it is not visible, see what you have to do. If you are not getting the center point, suppose you have created floor like architecture floor whose dimension is how much? Just again, I'm just creating 25 feet wide. Okay. And how much long? 40 feet, na? 40 feet long. And the thickness of floor is you can to 12 inches given. I want to place this floor exact in center. So first now from annotate tab, you can just use the draw one line here. But before that, just 1 minute. Huh? First now after creating the floor, hit on finish edit mode. So when you hit on finish edit mode, here see the floor is ready. Okay. You can see in shaded view. The floor is ready. 40 feet long, 25 feet wide. Na? Whatever you have taken, just remember that. See, if you want to check use the dimension, align command, DI command. I have taken 20 feet wide and 40 feet long. Now I want to place this floor exact in center. So first from annotate tab, use the detail line, draw one line because I want the center point of this floor. Okay, so now we have got the center point here. Now select the complete floor, use the move command from modify, select this center point and place it exact here in the center. Okay, in this way, now delete the detail line which you have drawn for reference. Is it clear? So in this way, you can see in 3D, here we have created the floor. Now again, come here in ground floor. Now I want to just draw the external wall. Suppose the external wall thickness is 8 inch. Okay, just example, 8-inch wall I want to create here. So to create a wall, tell me what we have to do. If I want to create wall, so what we have to do? Yes, we have to go to the architecture tab, build panel. Here you will get the option of wall. Just hit, you can use the shortcut also, okay, WA. Hit on this wall. Now here you can see in properties palette, when you hit on this drop down list, different wall is given here. So I want to draw, suppose generic 8-inch wall I have selected from the list. Okay. Now I'm drawing the external wall from here. So location line, just select as a finish space exterior. Height, how much height you want for this wall which you are creating. So from here, you can change the height what you want, but I want to create the wall up to, suppose we have started to create the wall from ground floor up to roof floor we want na. So select height up to roof floor. I want the wall. Okay. So now from this corner point, just draw the wall. This is our wall. Okay. External wall I am just drawing. Is it clear or not? Tell me. All of you. Let me know so that we can continue. Suppose here 7.5. Now I'm going here. little bit anything, just dimension as a, again you can go for your 6 inch. Total is 17 inch something. So suppose 6 inch I am going here. Is it clear? No, suppose here I'm just taking 9 inch. Okay. Suppose this is my exterior wall which I have created. Actually, now this is our front side. Main entry should be from here. Okay. Okay. So all of you remember, I have shared the WhatsApp number. Anything which you want to ask, okay, related to course. So in the given WhatsApp number, you can ask, okay, whatever you want to learn. So you can ask in the given WhatsApp number. See now, every course is, we have a postgraduate program in BIM MEP also. We have a postgraduate program in architecture. If you want interested in MEP services, that also, if you are interested in designing MEP designing, plumbing, HVAC, firefighting, electrical, that course is also available. Revit architecture course is also available. Structure, everything is available. Okay. So you can ask that in the given WhatsApp number if you are interested. So see here, I have drawn this area. I have leave it for car parking, and this is our main entry. Suppose here I want to place anything like flowering and whatever. Okay. So now you can see in 3D, it will look like this. This is our porch. Okay. Can you see now this thing? All of you? So what I mean, just little bit move it here. Okay. So exterior wall we have created. Now the next which we have to create here, suppose 2 BHK apartment, na? 2 BHK, suppose here I want to create one bedroom whose dimension is 9 feet by 12 feet, let's say. So I want to create interior wall. So suppose the interior wall thickness is 6 inch. Okay. So architecture wall, build architecture tab, build panel wall. From the list, now I'm selecting 5 inch wall, let's say. Okay. For interior. And here, just I want to create one bedroom whose dimension is what? 9 feet by 12 inch. Okay. So check the dimension. First select this. From this corner point, wall face to this wall face, I want 9 feet. So first select this point. So you can change it as a 9 feet you want. Na? Just selected 9 feet. Oh, sorry. I want 12 feet this. Okay. So 12 feet. And the width, first now select it. This point to make it in the, from this point to this point, the dimension I want 9 feet. 9 feet by 12 feet. Bedroom we have created. Okay. This is my bedroom. So I have created, you can see one area for bedroom. Now again, come here in ground floor. Suppose here I want to draw, I want to give this space for toilet area. So that also you can give it. So I want to create toilet. So just come here in wall, select the thickness of wall that is given by the architect site. Okay. Whatever. So let's say from here only, I'm just starting. Suppose the toilet which I want to create is 4 feet by 2 feet. Like this. This is my toilet area. Okay. You can select the, check the dimension, whatever, how much length and width we have to 5 feet. Na? Just take as a 6. Write down 6 feet. And how much it is showing? 4 feet. From this internal dimension is showing 3 feet 7 inch. Now I want 4. Just write down 4 feet. Okay. Is it clear? Just move it little bit. So this is our toilet area. Door, everything that. Hello. Am I audible or not? Let me know, please. Hello. Please give me answer, all of you. Okay. So see, we are just creating, we have created the bedroom. Then we have created one toilet. Now let's say here I want to create one laundry. Okay, so same wall I want to create. Select it, this wall. 5-inch wall you want, select the 5-inch wall, right click, create similar option is given, create it. Suppose here, this area I have planned for laundry. Okay. And now I want to create kitchen here. So, okay, let's say from here, you can just draw one kitchen. Suppose this is my kitchen space. Okay. This is my kitchen area. Okay. Now, same way, here we have a porch. This is our main door. Here we have to place the main door. Suppose here I want to draw the staircase to, if you want to go into the roof floor. So here I will draw the staircase. Suppose one bedroom I am drawing here. Okay. So selecting same, right click, create similar. Just draw, suppose this is my one bedroom. And here I have drawn attached toilet. Suppose inside the bedroom only, we have drawn toilet. Just move it little bit. Clear? This is our toilet area. You can, suppose you want to change this wall thickness as a 5-inch only, select this. See the match property option is given, select it and select this wall. First, sorry, select this to, first you have to select the source, then destination. Same way, if you want to change the thickness of this wall, first select the match property, select the source, then destination. And you can change it. Okay, so same, right click, create similar, and now I am drawing one wall from here. Select the wall exterior face and try to draw the wall like this. Okay. So I hope that all of you clear this thing. Here also you want to do same thing, right click, create similar and try to draw the wall. See, so here I have drawn one bedroom and attached toilet. This area for car parking, and here I want to place some flowers and trees and everything that you can place it. Okay. So here you can see in 3D, I have drawn the room and everything. Okay. So let's say come here in ground floor plan. Suppose here we have to place the door, everything. Na? So how to do the placement? See that also. If you want to place the door, what you have to do? Come here in architecture tab, door, select the door. Here in properties panel, you will get the different types of door. Only one types of door is available here. Okay. Only one types of door is available in our Revit. So let's say you want to load some other types of doors. So what I have told you, remember, I have told you here you will get the load family option. Hit on that load family from the Revit library. You can go back from here. So if you have downloaded the Revit family, na, see, wherever you have downloaded that family, yes, my voice is not clear, all of you. Yeah. Let me know, my voice is coming or not. Everyone getting my voice, na? So it is clear. Okay, not see. Now see here, if you want to place the door, so what you have to do for that? First, in architecture tab, select the door. You want some different types of door. You don't want this wall, which is available in Revit. So you have to hit on load family. Wherever you have saved the Revit libraries, libraries, how to download that I will discuss in live class if you are interested. Okay, so wherever you have saved your Revit libraries, like for example, here you can see family templates, libraries is given. Na? I have saved wherever I have saved, just hit on libraries. In libraries, you have to select the language English Imperial. Sorry, go back from here, select the English Imperial. Now you have to select the door from the list where it is here. Which type of door you want? Suppose commercial door I want. This one. I want to place this type of door. Okay, just open it. You can select the dimension, how much width and height, which type of 30-inch, 80-inch, 30-inch by 84-inch door is available. So you can select any dimension. Suppose I want to use this one. Okay. And now place it. Suppose for this bedroom, that door is loaded. You can see in this preview. Now I want to place one door here. Okay, like this. Is it clear or not? Tell me. First, now what I'm doing, just move it little bit here. Now see, select the door. And now I'm just placing one door here for this bedroom area. Okay. Now in this bedroom, I want to place the door here. So just hit on that simply. Okay. Now this is your main door. Let's say here you have to place the main door. You want to mirror the door. Suppose just press the space bar to change the direction of door. Here I have placed the main door. Okay. Same way for toilet area. For toilet area, if you want to place the door, but so okay, just place it here. This is the attached toilet. Here also we have one toilet. I want to place the door here. You can change the size of door also. Okay, it is depend on you. If you don't want to use this size, see, different size also available. Okay, load family, same door you want, which type? This one, na? Open it and see small size is also, if it is not available, so no problem. Here see, we are using 30-inch by 80-inch. Na? You can go in edit type, duplicate, write down the name as a door. Okay. Now here height width of door is 2 feet, 6 inch. Suppose you want 2 feet only. Okay, select 2 feet. Okay. Height, how much you want? So as per that you can select. Okay. Now try to place that door here. Okay. In this way, you can change the dimension of door also. And one door I want to place here also for laundry area. This is our laundry area. Just place it. Okay. And now anywhere. Is it clear now? In this way, we have to place the door. Now you can see in 3D view, it will look like this. The placement of door, whatever door we have placed now. Clear? Now come into the ground floor. I want to place the window now. So for window, what do you have to do? An architecture tab, window. Hit on that window. Now where you want to place the window, which type of window you want. So from in the Revit, only 2 types of window is available. But I don't want to place this type of window. I want some other type of window. So for other type of window, what we have to do? Just hit on load family. And from the Revit library, you have to load it. So just go back from here. Under English Imperial, where is window? You have to search. See, window option is given. Double hit on that. Here you can see the different types of window is available. Their preview is visible here, I think. Can you see? So suppose I want this type of window. Let's say, just open it. From here, see that window is loaded here. Their different dimension is given. How much you want? Suppose I want 61 inch by 48 inch. Just select it and place it where you want. Okay, suppose one window I want to place it here. Okay, in this laundry area. Now where you want, suppose another window for this. In this bedroom also, I want one window I have placed here. In kitchen area, if you want window, you can give it like this. Now this is also one bedroom. I want one window here also. Okay, so you can place it. Same way, where you want. This is our toilet area. Don't need to place the window here. Okay, one window I am just placing here. Now see, in 3D, it will look like this. Is it clear? The window placement. You can change the dimension of window also. That I will explain you in the live class because here it is not possible. Okay. Now come here. Now let's say, okay, we have placed the door, window, everything. Suppose you want to place the component, that option is also available. Any component, suppose this is your bedroom. You want to place the bed here. Okay. So how to place? See, In architecture tab, component option is given. Hit on component. See, bed is not available here. So you have to load it from Revit libraries. So hit on load family, go back from here. Now from here, you have to search furniture. In furniture, bed option is available. Yes, some different types of bed is given. Suppose if you don't want to use this bed, so okay, you can download other types of bed also. From where? From different website is available if you want to download the family. So different website, BIM, EVO object, BIM city. These are the website. From there, you can easily download the family. Okay, that. So suppose I want to use some different this box, this bed. Okay, open it and place it where you want. Suppose I want to place here and I want to rotate. So it's use the space bar key to change the direction of bed. Here I am placing one bed in this bedroom, and in this bedroom also I want to place the bed just here, exact. Okay, same way. Now suppose you want to place the desk table here. Okay, that option is also available. Okay, same way here I want to you can just place the car and everything whatever you want. You can car parking area also I have given for one car. You can park it. Suppose here I want to place flowers and everything. Okay, see, architecture tab, component, load family, go back from here. Now see where is planting option. Here planting option is given. Come here in planting, which type of you want. This conifer, scrub, whatever, just select it and place it. Here I have placed. You can see it will look like this. If you are if it is not, don't want to use this, just delete some other types I'm using. So in component only, load family. Suppose I want to use this one. Okay, place it here. See now in 3D view, it will look like this. In realistic view, this is the shaded view, na? In realistic view, you can see the real texture of that window, door, whatever you have placed, na? So just wait for some time. Always try to work in shaded view, okay? Don't be go for realistic view because otherwise the file will be heavy. That is why we are working in which view? Shaded or wireframe generally. See, can you see the realistic view of that plant which we have placed here? Door texture. In realistic view, you will get the real texture and everything, okay? But here the file will be heavy. That is why always we are working in shaded view or wireframe, okay? So same way, suppose this is your toilet area. You want to place the water closet, wash basin. Okay, that option is also available. Same way in component, you have to hit on that load family. In load family, go back from here and come here. Plumbing option is given. Under plumbing MEP, fixture, which type of fixture you want. See, you want water closet. Where is water closet here? Can you see this water closet here option? So from here, you can select which type of water closet you want. Suppose I want to place water closet flush tank type. Just open it. First load it in your Revit and then try to place it where you want. Okay. Suppose here I want to place, change the direction by using a space bar key. Place it wherever you want. Suppose this is water closet. This area I have just for bathing purpose, and here I am placing the wash basin. Same way, now come to here. Here where you want to place, change the direction and place it. Okay. So in this way, suppose this is your kitchen area and you want to place the stove and everything. So, okay, component, load family, go back from here. What you want? Kitchen, na? So for kitchen, where we have to go? Yes. If I want to just load the stove and everything. So for kitchen, I think mechanical or furniture, I think. In furniture, storage. Okay, everything is available. You can search it. Under English Imperial. Window doors. plumbing, planting, furniture, encourage, duct door, different item you will get from here. Okay, so you can place it. So in this way, we have to place the component. Now, I hope that all of you understood this thing. Now, same way, suppose let's say we know that our total height, how much we have? Height of each and every total height is, you can come here in elevation, north elevation. See, total height of each floor we have taken. Ground floor height is 12 feet. Okay. I want to place the false ceiling in each and every room. So we know that we have a three types of false ceiling: plain false ceiling, step false ceiling, and next one is what? Yes. So we have a three types of false ceiling: plain false ceiling, step false ceiling, and tiles false ceiling. So which type of false ceiling you want to use, it is depend on you. Okay. So let's say in this room, like in this bedroom, I want to place a tiles false ceiling. At what height? Suppose total room height is 12 feet. I want to place the false ceiling at 9 feet. For example, let's say I want to place the false ceiling at 9 feet. So for the placement of false ceiling, first don't need to work in a plan view. You have to come here in ceiling plan, ground floor ceiling plan. So this is your ceiling plan. Now for the placement of false ceiling, architecture tab, build panel, here you can see the ceiling option is given. Hit on that ceiling. Here in property palette, you will get the two types of false ceiling. Basic ceiling means plain false ceiling. Compound ceiling, here you can see the 2 feet wide tiles false ceiling. Suppose just select it. Give the height of that, at what height you want to place. Suppose 9 feet. Okay. Just place it in this room. In this room, toilet area also you want to place, just place it. In kitchen area, in this area, no, I don't want to place in this toilet. Okay. Now let's say for this bedroom, I want to place a step false ceiling here. You can see first how the tiles false ceiling will look. See, we have placed the false ceiling in this bedroom, in this area at what? 9 feet. Now you can see, just I will remove this. It will look tiles style. Tiles false ceiling we have placed. Can you see this thing? Same way now, suppose in this bedroom, you want to place the step false ceiling. Okay. So how to place? Come here in first go to ceiling plan, and now in this bedroom I want to place the step false ceiling. So in architecture tab, build panel, uh here see, select the NC ceiling. For step false ceiling, first now you have to come here in wall. We have to create the step na. So from wall, just select the soffit, half-inch gypsum type of wall. Now how much height base offset you want to take? So base offset, suppose step, in step false ceiling, total room height is 12 feet. Okay. Base offset I am giving 9 feet. Okay. And in option bar, see the height. Just I want to give only 2 feet step. Okay. So I have given 2 feet. And here you can select face, finish face exterior. If you want to give offset, how much? -2 feet. And now just from draw panel, select the rectangle from this corner to this corner, create. And finally, see in 3D view how it will look. Here we have created this step. Total step height is 2 feet. Okay. Base level 9 feet and 2 feet height means here how much? Tell me. So see here what I am doing. Just select the base level 10 feet. Okay. 2 feet step I want. Select the base level as a 10 feet. So same way now again, you come here in wall. First select the base offset. I am taking 10 feet. Okay. Everything is similar. Offset -2 feet. Now from draw panel, select the rectangle. From this point to this point, create one rectangle. See, like this. Now here, again come here in ceiling plan. See, come here in architecture tab, ceiling, automatic ceiling. From here, which type of ceiling you want? In at 9 feet, I want tiles false ceiling. Just select it. But see, It is the wrong way. So what you have to do, ceiling, modify tab, PP. From PP, select the required false ceiling which you want. Okay, at what level you want to place the style false ceiling? At 12 feet. So you can just, or at what? So 10 feet we have taken. Na? So just write down 10 feet and hit inside this. Again, come here in architecture tab, modify architecture tab. See where it is. Select the ceiling. Modify tab. Sketch ceiling option is given. Hit on that. Now total height of room is 12 feet. Now this upper top ceiling I want same. Select the rectangle and draw one from this corner point to this corner point. Finish edit. Now see in 3D this step false ceiling is ready. Can you see here? Just delete and try to understand. This is our step false ceiling. Here 2 feet step I have created. Can you see this one? All of you? So it is depend on you which type of false ceiling you want. So in this way, generally we have to create the false ceiling. Yes, everyone done na? Come here in now floor plan. After creating ceiling, now let's say here I want to create a stair. In this area, I want to create a stair to suppose you want to go into the roof floor plan or another floor. So here is stair also. That option is also available. For the, if you want to create a stair, see what you have to do. All of you try to understand. In architecture tab, circulation panel, here you will get the option of stair. Hit on that stair. First, always from select the run option. In component, select the straight. Now first try to edit. Always edit and duplicate. Suppose here I am just writing stair. Now anything changes you want to do, any changes in a stair, okay. Suppose already we have duplicated with the name stair. Suppose maximum riser height I want 1 feet, maximum thread depth 6 inch I have selected, and minimum run width of that 1.5 feet. Okay, this one I have done. After that, finally hit on OK. Now here you can see the desired number of riser is given 12. I want to select 24 total. 24 riser, number of riser I want, I have selected. Okay. Now, location line, just hit on run left. Okay. And just here always check automatic landing. Here I have started to draw this stair from here. See, 12 is remaining. 12 I have drawn. Now just create it and remaining is 12. Just draw it. Finally, hit on finish editing. You want to move this stair, just select the complete stair from the drawing, because actually now we have to move in the corner in the this point. So hit on move command, move it here. Now see in 3D how this stair which we have created. From here you have to, this is your landing, and here you can go into the upper floor. Can you see this stair? Is it clear? But see, the problem is for here the window which we have placed. So don't need to place window here, okay? Because here we are just creating a stair. So remove this window. Instead of placing the window here, you can place it here. Okay, so select same window I want to use. So create similar and place it here. Okay. Same way in play here also, I'm just place it here, delete this window because here the staircase is coming. Na? See in 3D. So now all of you tell me, is it clear how to create this stair here? We have a multiple option for the, here I have shown you, in this way also we have to create different types of stair is there. Here I'm not taking every types. I'm not discussing every type that we discuss in the live class. Okay. And in suppose if you are importing AutoCAD file, you want to trace this stair. So that option also I will show you when we in our live class how to trace this stair in of AutoCAD file. Okay. So in this way we have to create the stair. Let me know all of you. Is it clear up to here? Anyone have doubt? Yes. Here just I am showing you the basic model. Okay. Actually, each and everything in live class, we have to discuss each and everything in depth. Here, just I'm showing the basic concept of modeling just 2 BHK plot. So tell me, Miraj, Iqbal, other students, Shawan, Tajuddin, is it clear? Anyone have doubt how to create this stair and everything? Okay, now see. Okay, we have created this thing. Now the next is here. Okay, everything we have done. Na? Now I want to place the, suppose I want to create a slab here. Okay, so how to create this slab? First come here in project browser, hit on ground floor plan. You want to create the slab. So for that, architecture tab, roof or slab, whatever, build panel. Here you can see the roof option is given. See, different option is available here. Roof by footprint, roof by extrusion, roof by face that we've discussed in the live class. Here, just directly, I will show you how to use this roof by footprint. Hit on that. Now see, when you hit, you will get one message. You have created the roof on the lowest level. Would you like to move it to roof floor? Yes, I want to create the roof in roof floor only. So hit on yes. Now here you can see which type of roof, how much thickness of that roof you want. Suppose 9-inch generic, I have selected roof thickness. Okay. You can change the thickness as per your requirement. Now in option bar, define slope. Which type of roof you want? Flat roof or slope roof? So if you want flat roof, so define slope from here, you have to uncheck this define slope. I don't want slope type of roof. I want flat roof. First, I will show you how this slope type of roof will look. If you want slope type of roof, just select it. From draw panel, select the rectangle shape and from this point to this point, draw the rectangle, finish edit mode. Hit on attach. Now see in 3D view. Slope roof, slope type of roof will look like this. Okay. You can do the changes also here. Different changes is there that I will explain you in the live class, but here it is not possible. But I want to place flat type of roof. I don't want slope type. Just delete it. Come here again in roof floor plan. In roof floor plan from to create a roof or slab, architecture tab, build panel, roof by footprint. I don't want slope type of roof. So uncheck this define slope. Select the thickness of that roof. Okay. You want to give overhang. Okay. That option is also available here. If you want to give the overhang, otherwise just leave it. I have selected rectangle shape from this point to this point. Just create it. Then finish editing. But then also just 1 minute. See which type of roof it is created. Flat type of roof. Getting? But the problem is what here? Okay, we have created the slab. But the stair which we have drawn to go to the another floor, it is visible? No. So I want to give slab opening here for a staircase. Here we have to give the slab opening. Na? So for slab opening, first you have to open the 3D model like this 3D view from the drawing. Select the slab which you want to give the opening in this slab only. Na? Select this slab, hit on edit footprint. Okay, come here in roof floor plan. Now in boundary line from mode, select the boundary line, rectangle shape. Here I want to give the opening from this point. That much of slab I want to open. Select the slab which you want to open, then finally finish editing. Now see in 3D, here we have given the slab opening. So now easily you can come into the next floor. Okay. Now same way, suppose here we have given the opening. Now I want to create here one penthouse. Okay. So how to create the penthouse? Come here in roof floor plan. First, I want to create one wall. So hit on wall, whose dimension, thickness, just 5-inch only. Okay. I have selected 5-inch. After that, finally, select the rectangle and try to create one roof. finish face interior. From this point to this point, I want to create one roof. Okay. Height 10 feet is okay. Height of that roof is 10 feet. I want to take 10 inch, sorry, not 10 feet, 10 inch. Okay, that I have taken. You can see in 3D now. It will look like this. Here I want to place the one slab. Okay, a slope type of slab. So, okay, in roof floor plan only. Architecture tab, roof by footprint. I want to define the slope. Okay, rectangular shape. And from this here to here, I'm creating one finish editing. Attach. Now see in 3D view. Sorry, where it is? In this way only, na? 1 minute, huh? See in 3D. Actually, we have created roof, but roof is in this level. See, here we have created roof. You have to just move it at what height? Because floor wall height we have taken 10 feet, na? So base offset just give as a 10 feet. 10 inch, not 10 feet. Sorry, 10 feet. Roof height, wall height we have taken 10 feet. So give it as a 12 feet, I think. Okay, now see. You want to give overhang, so that option is also available. Select it, edit footprint option. Come here. Overhang also see. That I will just first discard and just explain you how to give overhang. Just delete this one, okay? And try to understand all of you. Again, I am creating roof by footprint. Same overhang now I am just giving 2 inch or 3 inch overhang. Okay, just give in an option bar. Then finally, base offset 12 feet we have taken a rectangle shape. Now from this point to this point, I'm creating finish editing attached. Now see in 3D view, it will look like this. But here the overhang is not showing. So 1 minute. Again, what you have to do now? Edit footprint. Come here and see why it is not visible. If it is not showing, overhang is not showing. One more time we are trying. See, huh? Okay. Delete it. Come here in roof floor and try to create it. Again, roof by footprint, overhang 3 inch. Okay. 3 inch or just give as a 2 feet. 3 inch, I think it is very minimum. No? That is why it is not visible. 1 feet if I'm giving rectangular. Offset 4 inch. 1 feet. Suppose I have given. Now see in 3D. See the offset is given one whatever we have given na, so it is showing. You can give the offset also if you want, so it is depend on you. So discard it. Now see, finally we are placing the roof. Different option is available here, so which what you want you can just select it. How much overhang you want to give, you can give it from here. 6 inch you want, just give it 6 inch. From here select it, and finally our offset also I'm just 6 inch point to this point. Finish everything. Attach. Now see in 3D. Here the overhang which offset value which I have given na 6 inch. You can see sloping type of room. Now I want to place the door here also. So in roof floor, where is ground floor? Sorry. Here we have to place one floor door na. So select the door from here and place it. Like, see now in 3D, but I don't want this type of door. Select this one. Different size of door is available. whatever you want, you can select and place it. Okay. So I think the wall height is 12 feet is more, I think. Na? If you don't want to select 12 feet, you want to select some different height of wall. So unconnected here, just write down 10 feet I want. So see, the wall height will automatically, the wall height will reduce. Now it is 10 feet. Okay. Now same way I want to create railing here in this roof floor. So okay, that railing is also possible. How to create railing, all of you? Yes. See, architecture type circulation panel railing. You can do the changes, everything option is available. In edit type na, see the different, you can change the baluster placement, structure, whatever you want. But here we do not have that much of time. That is why I'm selecting that whatever railing we have selected. Just from draw panel line and just draw it from this corner. We have to create a railing from here. See, here I'm just creating a railing. Clear? Join it up to here. Then finally finish edit mode. Now see in 3D how the railing will look. Okay, it will look like this, but we have to create the railing from the corner side. Na? Just delete it. Again, come here in roof floor. Little bit you can move this wall. See, select it, use move command, select the wall and move it here up to this point. Now try to draw the railing. Hit on railing. You can change the height of railing, everything, what height you want. So in edit type, first better is to duplicate, and now railing height, what you want, you can change it. Every option is available. By default, it is 3 feet. Okay, now I'm trying to draw the railing from this point to this point up to here. Then finally, from this point to this corner, finish edit. Now see in 3D, it will look like this. You want to increase the height of railing, select it, edit type, how much height you want. You can see it is by default 3 feet. You want 5 feet. Okay, 5 feet. Enter. Hit on apply, automatically see the railing height will increase. You want 4 feet, select 4 feet. Apply. See the railing height will reduce. But see, type of railing is rectangular. You can see the type of railing is rectangle type. If you want round, okay, select that railing, edit type. You don't want rectangular type railing, select here which type you want. So different option profile, you can change the profile of railing, everything is available. Okay, here I am not showing because in webinar it is not possible to just define each and everything. So see, the model is ready. Can you see? Now if you want to change the color, everything, so that option is also available. You want to change the material, that option is also available. Select any type of wall, because we have selected same type of wall only, 8-inch. So edit type. To change the material, hit on edit. Here you will get the option material. Hit on this 3 dot. Okay. And the real texture of that material, you can only view in the realistic view. In shaded view, you will not get the. So here, from here, I'm just hitting open or close it. Material browser, from which type of material you want. Suppose bricks. So here I am searching bricks material. See, here you will get some bricks material. Whatever I want to apply this, double hit on that. See, now you can get the preview of that material. Okay. When you open the realistic view, you will get the real texture of that material in realistic view. So in appearance, it is showing this color. When you come in graphics, see the color is showing white. Means in 3D view, in shaded view, you will get the white color. If you want some other, suppose you want green color. When you open the model in shaded view, so you want to see the green color. And when you open the model in realistic view, you want to see that material, real texture. So that is also available. Okay. So I have selected here green color. Let's say, just wait for some time. Okay, so here, this thing, material browser, here also we have to describe many things, but here I'm just showing you the basic thing, how to change the material. Here we have a many setting. So in live class, we have to discuss in detail how to change the material of object and everything. Okay. So up to here, anyone have doubt? Let me know. Is it clear how to create a 2 BHK model? So anyone, if anyone have want to ask anything, so I think all of you are there in group, na? So just can ask to the sir, and I have share you the WhatsApp number also. If you are interested to join our postgraduate program in BIM or in MEP designing and modeling or architecture, whatever, so you can contact to the sir. They will just wait, huh? Yeah, actually the is not working properly. Just wait. So just what is the problem? Just wait for 1 minute. See now, yeah, we have done. We have changes the color. Okay, okay. Then again hit on apply. Okay. That material, I think it is not apply shaded view, realistic view. See the picture of that. I think material is not applied. Na? Okay, it is not applied. Just wait, huh? I will show you. Open the shaded view and try to change the material. Select it, any wall. I want to change the material of this wall. So for that, you have to select any wall from the drawing. In edit type, as I told you, structure, hit on edit. Now you want to change the material, hit on this three dot. By category, hit on this three dot. Then open or close it browser. Here bricks material you want to apply, search it, bricks. So here you will get bricks material, which you want to apply this one, double hit on that. Here you will get the preview of that material. Even in graphics, white color it is showing. Okay, I want white color only. So in graphics, color is showing white, shading color is showing white. Okay. So when you open the shaded view, so white color you will get. And in 3D view, realistic view, when you open now, you will get this type of. So put on, I want to apply this material, apply. Okay. Now see the material will apply acoustic ceiling. Okay. Then finally apply. Okay. Now see in shaded view, can you see the color of that wall is showing white. When you open the realistic view, so now you will get the same texture of that material. Even you can change the size of this texture also, whatever texture is showing here. If you want to change the size, okay, that also. See, whatever wall we have drawn of 8-inch wall, their material is changed. When you go for interior wall, na, their material is not changed because that is different types of wall. Na? So material, you are changing 8-inch thickness wall material. So that is why only the 8-inch wall thickness material is changed. Same way you want to apply in this 5-inch wall. See, this is our 8-inch wall. Same material you want to apply in this 5-inch wall. Okay, select that 5-inch wall, any wall, edit type, edit. Here, hit on this three dot. Open and close it browser. Here, bricks, same material I want to apply. So select the bricks and which material you want. It is not showing bricks. Where it is, which we have applied. Yes. Can you see the bricks is showing anywhere? Solid. Whatever, just whatever material you want to use it. Okay, now suppose gray, masonry gray color I am using, apply. Okay. Okay, just hit on that. Is it clear, all of you? How to change the material? Let me know, please. So in this way, we have to apply the material. Okay. So when you are applying material, it will take some time. Material will be applied. Just wait for a second. So just wait, huh? So anyone have doubt up to here? Let me know. Yes. Intikab, Miraj, Shanur, Shawan, Tajuddin, and other student Venkatesan. Anyone have doubt? Is it clear up to here? How to create a 2 BHK apartment in Revit? Is it simple now? So here I have shown you the basic concept. Okay. Actually, in live class now we are teaching each and everything in depth. Actually, in material only we have a different types. Rendering option is also there. So in that we are just teaching each and everything in depth. So here see, I think some problem is coming. Just wait, huh? That is why, see, whenever you are just converting the model in realistic view, na, so the file will become heavy. So that is why we are facing problem. So that is why I'm telling, always try to work in shaded view. Okay. So finally, in this way, we have to create a 3D model. So here we have completed this thing. All of you now, I hope that all of you clear. So if anyone are interested, okay, as I told you, if anyone are interested to enroll in postgraduate program in BIM, so you contact us at the given WhatsApp number. Already I have shared you. See, again, I am just sharing you the WhatsApp number. So you can just contact that number. Okay. And don't be forget to provide your valuable review in the given link, which I have shown you, Trust Pilot link, or Google review also you can give us. And no one have suggest me that in which topic we have to conduct the next webinar. So just suggest that topic also. Okay. So as per that, we can conduct. Now see the material which I have applied here. See realistic view, the real texture of that material. You can see. Okay. So in this way, now you want to save this model. So, okay, file tab, save as project, where you want to see the file extension name is .rvt, where in desktop with the name what? 2 BHK apartment. Okay. Just I am saving. Save it. Simple. The project is saved. Okay. So this is all about what master class on BIM for construction projects. So, okay. So in webinar, we have discussed. So now if you are interested, so you can contact in the given WhatsApp number. Okay, all of you. So goodbye, all of you. Do the practice. Okay. So thank you to all of you. See you in the next webinar. So again, I think no one have give the suggestion for the next webinar in which topic we have to conduct the next webinar. So you can give me the topic name so that it is easy for us. Okay. So goodbye, all of you. Okay. And don't forget to provide your valuable link. Okay. I have shared the link. If you remember, already I have shared one link of Trust Pilot. So please do not forget to provide again, I have shared that link. So you can give the provide you a valuable review about instructor and course quality. Yeah. Yes. When Venkateshan, are you want to ask any questions? So you can ask me. I will just give you just 1 minute. Huh? Yes, let me know now. Venkateshan, what you are telling MEP? Yes, MEP course is also available. Okay. So if you are interested, you can contact with this, sir. Okay. So goodbye, all of you, and thank you present in this webinar. See you in the next webinar.